Hello, you are watching an important video highlighting men's rights and the injustices they face. Men also need protection from mental and social pressures. This video is brought to you by Vastav Foundation, a leading NGO dedicated to men's rights. For any assistance, you can contact Vastav Foundation at 888 498 498.
The leading political parties, like BJP and Congress, seek votes from men to get elected to the Parliament of India, yet they focus solely on women's issues, ignoring the needs of men.
They engage in female vote bank politics, neglecting basic human rights of men, such as protection of men from domestic violence and parental alienation of child from fathers.
Indian men often don't realize that their freedoms are being eroded with every new election through policies and laws that further restrict their rights.
Courts are working overtime with an exponentially growing number of cases, and the laws made in Parliament are disconnected from ground realities and public demands.
Instead, these laws are driven by a top-down approach, where members of Parliament are only imposing new controls over men and their parents in family laws only to safeguard their female vote bank.
The leading political parties BJP, Congress and other national and regional parties are really to be badly blamed for multiple decades of deteriorating family laws, iterating each election at a time. Both men and women have learnt a lesson that these parties are only focusing on polarization of public to stay in power.
Many such citizens have started selecting the option of nota or none of the above in each election, and their numbers are ever growing.
Thank you for joining us on this important issue. It is our collective responsibility to spread awareness about men's rights and prevent the injustices they face. If you or someone you know is a victim of any kind of harassment, please contact Vastav Foundation at 888 498 498. Together, we can build a just society.